No?
No. Sayang yun.
Ayaw.
Welcome to championship.
Ayaw ko
It is
sa
between TG and Team Torino. The team, number 13, run by Ray.
He's the game.
Again, to ball.
Nalabas na Tops ah.
To James. To Tony. To Ernesto for three. Rebound by Andrew.
Galing nga mo gusto ni Kuya, no? Galing yung mga pestuhan niya.
Ganyan yan siya eh. Marunong siya alam niya yung posisyon niya.
Oo. Lagi naiiwan open eh.
Dali mahanap mo siya. Mahanap mo talaga.
Run. Again. To Tony.
Hindi yun na-lose.
Lugi pala yung ano?
Lugi yung sila. Itim. Lugi yung itim din. Lalaro lang nila eh.
Alam lang.
Pero depende kasi parang warm up pa rin.
Jojo.
Tops ka na.
To Noel, Noel. Rebound by Bobby. James. To Ernesto for three. No good. To Ray. Oh, steal by Ron.
As!
Yeah, championship guys, championship. Last game of the tournament.
Ready ka na mga ito ba?
Wait, we're Tony Montino. Good. Kuya, good. Rebound by Costa. White ball.
Tanto na yung referee na yan. Baka lang tayo.
Ray, Andrew. Good for two. 4-2. Jojo. Good for two by Jojo. Assist by MJ Gala. Game.
Bravo!
Ayaw, ginala kay Tops yun eh.
Very obvious.
Ernesto Ramirez.
Five, six.
Noel. We have Noel for three. No good. Is it
Foul, run. Vasquez. Run. Vasquez.
First personal foul. Andrew. No good by Andrew. Another free throw.
Iba yung parang schedule. December 7, man.
Ano natin ulit?
Yung season league start.
Shit.
Time out, Team Cerrillo. Time out. One more time out with Team Cerrillo for first out.
Pero walang half time, di ba? Half.
Kamera saan?
Ano?
What? 9 ka na?
Hindi ba nag-ano po ito? Ay, shoot niya, ano?
Sustain.
Ito, end 1. End 1 to.
Oh, Edwin. Oh, yeah. 1-1 yun.
Level 5.
Ni Jojo. Jojo Cooper. Foul si Ron dun.
Yeah.
Ready ko nga.